Hello friends, welcome to my channel. These are my freehand painted designer designs for dupattas, sarees, dresses and tops, and you can paint wherever you want. These are my designer artworks, and you can see these designer tutorials in my live videos and in my channel videos. If you like my designer designs, you can see my live videos. In that I have done this, and those interested in learning freehand painting can join my courses. If you join my course, you will be able to understand all these videos and you can paint all my designs. Freehand painting is very easy if you learn once, and you can create your own designs and paint on dresses, tops, then sarees and wherever you want. Those interested can join my professional certificate courses, and I have basic and advanced courses. For more information, do click the link of my website in about or in the description below this video. There are many links in the description below, and you can click the website link where you can find different artworks and different art courses. There are many tutorial videos in live in my channel on sarees, dupatta and dresses, which you can see and learn, and those interested can join my freehand courses. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorial, style, fashion. Thank you.